Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm koolwrench5 and this is my friend JP, and we have a Lord of the Tachyon box openings because we got two. Well, he's got two. So we're gonna get right to it and show you what we pull from this.
Open up the right side first. See what we get.
So many packs. So little time. Shitties. Oh, we might keep burners.
And the first where we go.
And the first one we pull, a Constellar Omega Ultimate.
That is nice. Really
it's
nice.
A card everyone wants.
Do people still want these?
I do.
You do?
I'll keep them. Unless I get them from the box.
I'm not making the deck anymore.
He was planning on making green or Dustin deck, so that was,
oh my gosh.
That's not gonna happen today.
Okay.
Another fucking one of those. This looks like the same thing twice. Okay, you get the little cheer girl.
To exceed.
I actually need that card.
What is this?
That's
is that
the new Atlantean.
Oh, like I get the...
Mine.
Mermaids aren't even going to be popular anymore. Hey, you need that?
No, I have all of them. I just need the Raptor.
People want them though, right?
Not really.
No, well, screw people. Sunbreaker?
I need him. I just have...
Oh, that's the Wheel of Prophecy. I don't know if people want that.
Just keep it.
You need that?
No. One Night. Another card you just want to rip in half. Because it doesn't make any fucking sense.
Wow, I can't believe the first one was an ultimate though.
Let's just start you off the good way.
Yep.
Little fucking fairies.
Let's just get copies of everything we just pulled in the line. Oh, there we go. Something different.
Oh, you got the Turtle Racer, the Super. I pulled that from the sneak peek. It's stupid.
What the?
No one used that card.
Let me just get another random Exceed in here in the very back of the pack.
It's the common ones.
I know, but they count them as rares usually, from what I understood. Oh, okay. I can breathe now.
If I only had a stand, this would be a lot easier.
Hey,
oh,
that's
title.
That's worth something. I'm gonna put.
You know, the rares are like $70 each.
Yeah.
I'm like, what?
Okay. I don't know what to do here.
I need Tempest on title.
Alright. Okay, so we're pulling dragons. What the hell?
Radius. This is 8 stuff. Don't matter.
Let's get a whole bunch of Burning Knucklers this pack.
So far, the box opening's going pretty good, though. It's just some good. It's a good rare.
I like how the box says defy all limits, especially your money.
Oh my god. Nah, these weren't too bad. This $69. It's not too bad.
I can't believe I only had 2.
What is this? Is it good? Worth anything?
Not.
Oh, it's the new Noble Knight. I couldn't even tell what it was
By itself, no.
Ultra rares.
I mean, it's okay, but it's not that expensive.
Rares. Stupid rares. Okay. Nice.
Trash rares.
How much is Omega right now? Not much.
Can't tell. Everything's going down right now.
I better sell them fast.
Like it's all going so fast.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, she's cool.
Oh, see,
I love the artwork on this.
Yeah, that's a good card looking card thing. Yeah.
There we go. Do you want to do the opening for the other box? Maybe. I'll hold the camera for you. Leopard.
Oh, yeah, I had Leopard.
Michael wanted?
I already gave him all the Firefly side.
Oh, very cool.
Unless you get the secret Coyote.
If that's the secret I pull, how much is it?
10.
Oh. Well.
Good luck with this.
It's gonna cost him 30. Get my money back. Okay, I'm pulling a lot of the babies though. It's kind of nice.
And you pulled at least one of the...
Hey, who cakes?
Hoop cake. Ephraim wants the...
Ephraim. Okay. Set that aside.
Save it for his ass. So doing pretty well with the dragons, at least.
Seriously, opening
Two,
a lot of the dragons.
2 earths, a water, a wind, 2 fires.
A few fires.
Oh, 3 fires.
Oh, hey.
We're set for the babies.
It's a harpy.
Harpy, yeah. Be used later once harpies come out. Dustin.
Freaking Dustins.
The most broken
This is gonna
deck
have a
ever.
better card than this pack. This is just a rare. Making a prediction. It's not, I made a prediction and it's not gonna come out, but oh, you won't lose. Hey, this is the card. Michael, your brother, right?
I didn't even run him.
Yeah, he needs this. Alright, said that for him.
Don't ask.
Okay, just look at this picture. Look at this guy. He looks so stupid.
He is so wise. Look at that mustache and beard. Just-
Mermail. Oh, what?
There's your torrential reborn. Don't even ask me. Just,
How much is it?
yeah, I'm not.
Like a
Just keep
dollar.
on going. Keep on going.
Right. Got a nice little rare. So many. What am I doing? Last one.
Last one for the right side.
Yep.
The left side is always better. We already know that.
Is it really?
No.
That'd be great. This guy's just stupid looking. I don't know.
If you want those cards, let us know in the description. Because we don't. Basically, all the commons are. You know,
Okay. Going for the,
I don't even think we need a Fire Fist,
for the
or
right half now.
if you want this broken ass Turtle Racer, pulled from the pack, not that shitty promo. Yeah, that's a good XYZ too.
Hey, super.
Super Medulce Knights. People need that too.
Battle Boxer. This weird dragon ass thing.
That's a battle in boxer, sir.
You know what? Take it.
We need Yoke.
Let's just pull all
I need
these out.
Yoke. He's a rare, I think.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Alright.
Even got him. Oh, there it is. Yoke.
Oh.
Yoke.
Oh. Okay. Pull out over there.
Another one of Shark
Oh
Fortress.
my gosh.
If you need Shark Fortress, we got you covered. We'll probably got the same. We'll probably get the same amount as those levels or rank he is.
Hey.
We'll probably get 5 of him.
Mind Drain. Cards. This weird dragon ass.
This card.
Another harpy. So many
Freaking
commons.
whales.
How many Ultras Ultimates usually come in box?
There's no set rarity, sir.
So many baby dragons. Another Wheel of Prophecy.
Barely any of the Mecha Phantoms you're pulling.
Hey. Yeah, I'm not getting any Mecha Phantoms just with this one. Even though this is the first one I opened and first time I've opened these packs. So we got another.
We're gonna need a shield to.
Hey.
Ah, Raptor.
Do you need that?
I actually do.
Put that over there. Which one is that?
Because I'm building the Mega Raptor, or Mecha Phantom Beast deck. But I have.
the Mega Raptor.
I'm building the plane itself. It will fly. It will have a face like that. And dual barrel.
Hey. Oh my gosh.
Omegas for days.
Omegas. Oh,
Fail.
you know what? It's a rare. Hey, I need the waters because I want to make a frog variant with them. Maybe using Sea Lancer too, just because it'd be broken. Okay. I don't mind pulling through different Solar Omegas actually. It's not that bad.
This is our secret.
And it is worth something. I don't know what it's worth, but it's not worth a lot probably. I know people wanted it though.
Oh, look at another Shark Fortress. We're getting there.
It's just
Just one more and we have 5.
hey, I got 3 of the babies. Wins if you want them.
Someone's interested in this, let us know.
Yep.
Because I don't think any of us need it.
I don't even know what it does.
I think it's
haven't
for,
paid attention to it.
Water things, yeah, something.
Battle and Boxer. Hey,
One of water monsters.
you want that?
Ah, Tempest. Yes,
Yes.
Tempest will come
Oh, put
later.
all the- whatever.
Hey, Tempest. I want to see how he runs with the Mega Phantoms.
Probably pretty decently. I mean,
He's another 7. I could pull Draco with him. I think I could pull Draco by himself.
do you need it?
I need one more. I don't know if I'll
Hey,
Pay for
another water. Let's get all this over here. A little bit more dragons. Not too worried about it. What's funny is that the tins are gonna have all the super rare dragons, and that's just stupid.
And also tins, BLS.
Yes.
The new BLS actually.
New BLS super rare.
It'll probably be.
I hope it doesn't happen.
It'll probably be an XYZ this time.
A BLS XYZ?
BLS changes every time. It was a ritual, then it was normal, then it was an effect. It changes.
It was never a normal.
It was a ritual though.
A ritual. They did make a normal. Actually, they made a normal BLS, and it just
Wasn't
like
it a
3000
fusion
attack.
as well?
Oh no, it was just Blackluster Soldier. That was it, and it was just a normal monster, no effect, and it's actually the only one in existence, and it's worth about I think
Envoy
12
of
million.
Twilight.
It is legitimately worth $12 million. I looked it up. It's kind of weird. Hey.
Don't listen to what this man says. He doesn't know.
So much trash.
Yeah, there's a lot of trash, like this whole stack.
Hey.
Sombre.
Oh, people wanted that one. Sounds so Mexican.
Kirkion's what people want.
Kirkion's what people want. Repeat. Sound like I know what I'm talking about. Last one.
And our rare will be Yoke.
Hey.
Yoke is cool. Yoke is
Oh,
broken.
you wanted that one.
Yoke is cool.
Spellbook of Miracles actually has a pretty decent effect. People are probably going to use them now. Okay. Well,
So,
that's
not
fun.
bad. If you're interested in any of these cards, besides, I don't, are you keeping anything? Besides the dragons, probably.
Probably just the dragons, everything else is trade.
Everything else, let us know. They're probably for sale, even trade, if you want to trade, I don't know.
Okay. Well, we'll move on to
So here's all the thing.
box
Let us
number
know.
2. Okay, we're going to be doing box 2.
Part 2 of this video.
Yep. Let's get started.
I don't know which one's the right side anymore, but we got 24
That's the right side.
Alright, we'll start with the right side. Right side is confidence. I can't get these open. Easy part. Alright. Parasec, Altitude Knight, and a Giano thing.
Not too bad. Rare super.
No. Rest comments are not very good. Like there's just too many cards in this. Alright, so we have some weird flying thing. Some more battle in boxers. Shark Fortress, I don't know if I'm gonna keep those.
I should just burn them. Or I should just collect all the Shark Fortresses. Have like a huge binder full of them.
Have a full, like, 3 pages.
Someone says, "Can I see your trade binder?" Just pull out like a big 50-page binder full of Shark Fortresses front and back.
Do you want anything?
Oh, there's a dragon.
Common dragon. Everyone's. I think this is Rhino. Yeah, this is pretty good in the Fire Fist.
Oh, good. Yeah, keep it out.
Just rares.
We don't have rares yet. We had a rare.
Yeah.
It's just gone because I think it was the
Yep.
Battle and Boxer. Okay.
Not a bad deck. Don't get me wrong. They will have their time
Wait.
later on when Elemental doesn't exist.
Yeah.
What's wrong with this deck? It feels so weird. Alright, I'm just gonna open it normally.
I did that once and all the cards just kind of flew out.
Mind Drain. Wolf. Rage Hero Roll. Oh, there's another
little
dragon.
baby.
I find it funny how the commons are more useful in this deck. Do you Mind Drain? No.
Nah.
So far, one holo. Not bad. It's actually a pretty good guard for Givianos if they run it. Black Falcon, Raker, Switch Hitter, Wheel of Prophecy, and another Mega Raptor.
There we go. If you need it, separate it.
Any more dragons? No.
Oh well. 2 supers.
So far. We're still missing an Ultra.
An ultimate.
An Maybe.
5 secrets in 1 pack.
Parasec, Vernix. A card I just want to rip apart.
You want to say hi to? You want to say hi to YouTube?
Hi, YouTube.
Yeah, we're leaders right now. Bakersfield.
Awesome
Oh, I love this
card
card.
shop.
It just looks so
Finally got
Dude,
the
who raised
beautiful.
It's ridiculous.
yeah. I love the artwork on this
Finally
card. Nice.
one on there. Took forever.
Okay, he's got this.
One of the workers is open up and pack real fast.
See what we got?
Oh, jank. But I got you Ice Blast. Ice Blast isn't bad.
Pulled 3 of them
It's
already.
not bad,
Really?
actually.
Yeah. This is the first box. Useful stuff is over here.
Oh, okay. No, I'm just looking.
Any dragons?
No dragons.
Shoot.
Dragons, huh? Yes.
You brother came.
I'm ready.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Addiction.
Another title.
Nice. Needed that title.
It's funny just how hard it is to get all of them. We've got no burners yet, so let's hope we get a burner.
Oh, that'd be really good. Or another title. Then I can keep my frogs and do something with them for fun.
Don't get rid of the frogs, man.
I know it was first deck I made, I think. Or was it Black Wings? I don't know.
Alright, so we got XYZ block, another burner, another icebreaker,
Oh my gosh. What is
and
with this thing?
Steam.
It's okay. It's okay.
At least we got the card on the pack, the front of the pack, so that's our Ultra.
Beautiful.
Why didn't we get that guy?
Thought that was a woman. I think it is. I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything.
In Zexel, everything doesn't make sense. Oh,
Hey,
finally.
another
I got another one. Another Battle Boxer, another cheery girl thing.
Yeah.
Alright, well, so we're getting the baby dragons left and right.
A lot of babies. All the baby dragons.
So if you need them, let us know.
It's all good. There we go.
Try Fortress Lops.
Oh wait, yeah, that
Alright.
card's actually really good.
Pretty good at stopping out the case.
Yep. I'm gonna be using that probably.
Save a 3,000 meter. Then good luck.
Okay.
But I didn't get any of those, so not yet. Fire formations. No one uses. No one uses. Another burner.
burner. I like the little fairies now that are coming out. They look pretty nice.
69.
I don't know. That doesn't look sensual at all. They should have done something. It's just
that long
never
erected
mind.
thing
Never
at the
mind. Oh my gosh. What is
And
that?
then Noble Arms of Destiny. So,
Oh, okay. People needed that
Nice
for the
super.
Noble Arms decks.
Dustin.
Sounds good.
So, yeah. We got a lot of supers in this pack, honestly. 3 so far. No ultimates yet. Bachi. That card again. And a Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. So that's another rare that we won't use until Harpies come out. Right. Actually, I saw a deck running Harpies. It was pretty good. Whoa. Another good. This is one of those cards you just want to rip apart.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Another burner. Switch hitter. And
Yeah.
there we go, Red Rocks.
There we go.
Redox. The elemental earth
Was
one.
waiting for that. Oh wait, what? Yeah.
Metropolis.
Another little stream. I mean.
Redox though, pretty good. None of the fire ones. Yes.
Let me just summon a 3,000 defense wall. Woo.
That unboxers. It's gonna have like 60 of these. And rank up magic, Variance Force Ultimate.
That is
nice.
pretty good.
Don't get me wrong, that will be a good card later on.
It actually looks really cool.
It is nice. I wanted an Ultimate. I was gonna buy it online.
Oh, that is such a cool design.
And it's got a cool look to it. No secrets. Where are you, our secret?
Very cool.
Or a wing.
Hey.
Another Recting.
Just make a random TG deck now with Earth monsters.
Brotherhood of Fireface and Buffalo.
It's just the dumbest name they could have put into Yu-Gi-Oh right now. Spellbook of Miracles. If you don't, I mean, it's not.
If you want to run
non
top tiering spell books, run that card.
Yeah.
Got this card. And burner again. Switch hitter again. Bonchi. This card, and just I don't know why it's a rare. It should even be in this pack. Panther Shark. There you go. Everything else sucks. Go away from me. Those cards are so retarded.
I know.
Oh, someone will make use of it.
Somehow, somewhere,
There's a jump
made it.
promo,
Yeah.
like Gaga Warrior or something. An XYZ coming out. Wolf, another burner. Wow, we got so many burners. Another fortress.
Oh, that's not.
And a super hoop cake.
Oh, good. That's 2 hoop cakes now.
Hoop cakes every day. And another lightning. I think we
Not
were missing
too
some
bad.
lightnings. I don't know.
Only had like 12. I think it was
So let's
7.
continue on. People
Yep.
are gonna be mad today because we bought out all of them.
Yeah, we bought the last 2 boxes in
The
stock, and
store
the
just-
store
this is,
just opened like 30 minutes ago.
It's a
so-
short print card.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, so there's
What
not
is
gonna be
that?
very many of them. Storage just
Oh.
a yoke and pinpoint guard is a
another-
secret. That's actually a pretty good.
It's not that bad. It's actually good revival. However, I mean, if they don't pop your back row before they decide to attack like any other smart person.
Who does this? Yeah, so
Okay, well, we pulled the Ultra, Ultimate, Secret, and
Okay.
a few Supers already, so who knows what the rest of the
Ultimate's
packs
nice.
hold. Might
I pulled another ulti,
Oh, yeah.
and maybe another super. We'll see.
5 more Ultras coming our way. I don't know what the...
Mermail. Some people want to run him. And another
Oh my
Omega.
gosh.
We have 3 Omegas now.
3 Omegas, 2 Ultras, and 1 Ultimate if you're interested.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And more Shark Fortresses, just to add to the.
Yeah, if you want Shark Fortresses, we can give you a box, 100 of them for...
Not bad, XYZ. I don't know why I put it for the comment. Might as well put Draco as a comment if they're gonna do this. Recton.
How much are the babies right now? They're going... They're gonna be cheap now.
And another Super Beast, or Super.
Do they even run that?
No one runs. I don't run that.
Waste of time.
So another one from the pack itself. Super.
Yep.
We still have 3 packs left now, so lo and behold, one has Blaster
Has just a big thing of secrets.
or Blaster.
Misprinted. Secret rare.
Blaster. Alright, so Little Fairy, another regulator, your Eagle Shark, stuff like that, and Altitude Knight. Rare. You have a big thing of commons.
Yeah. That side view.
And that's not even the full thing. I think that's the rest over there. Alright, so another Battling Boxer. We have like 60 common. Tether Wolf.
Ooh.
Nice.
Good.
The card we've been waiting for.
Day.
This. Oh, dude. I think you pull like 20 per pack.
Every box. Here's 20 Shark Fortresses.
Last pack of Lord Tachyon.
Last pack.
Hollow for days. Parsec, Gurnix, something. I see already a rare, so that's gonna be our last card.
Yep.
Little Fairy Cheer Girl.
Not
Just makes
bad.
you wanna rape a kid.
Don't think we should be saying that one.
All right, so that's all
Okay.
of them. If you're interested in any of them, on any of these cards right here, just leave a comment or PM me. So I don't think you a YouTube or anything. So,
Not
so
really.
just let us know. So I'm koolwrench 5, and this has been Lord of Tachyon box opening. See you next time.